Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with yet another tutorial video for you guys today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Afterpay account. So for this, first of all, make sure that you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi connection so that there's no interference in between your login process and so that you don't have to face the login errors. And then make sure that you've also downloaded the Afterpay app on your mobile device. After this, head over to the app. As you open up the app, you will land on an interface like this where you'll be asked to either create a new account or to log in. Since you've already created a new account, tap on the login option. And then what you have to do is you'll have to enter an email address that you had associated with your account. And after you type in the email address like I'm doing right now, also type in the password that you had earlier set for your account. And when you do so, just tap on the arrow button and eventually you'll be able to see that you'll get logged into your account. So this is basically how logging into your Afterpay account works. It's quite a simple process, and I hope that with the help of this video, you'll be able to log into your own. If you do so, do let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so that you get notified each time that we come up with a new tutorial video. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.